welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Istiana, and today I'm sharing 3 super easy braided hairstyles for summer. Braids for summer is such a vibe, so we're starting with no-tie mini braids. It's just an easy way to add a touch of cute to wearing your hair down regularly. I'm going to use a couple wefts of my Luxy Hair Extensions in 16-inch chocolate brown. This is an optional step, but when you braid your hair, I don't like how it takes away some of the fullness of the rest of your hair, so to combat that, I'm adding in 2 clip wefts on both sides of my head. And I'm using the rat tail comb and no slip clips from the Luxy Hair application kit to make clipping in my extensions super easy. Once they're in, I'm taking my rat tail comb to separate out a section near the front of my head to braid. You can pick whatever section. I'm leaving my front bang pieces out because they're not long enough to include in the braid, but if you have longer face framing pieces, feel free to just braid your front pieces. I'm clipping the rest of my hair out of the way, and then I'm going to use hairspray to spritz the section of hair. Just brushing it through to evenly distribute, and I also apply a bit on my hands for braiding. The reason for the hairspray is that it adds grip to my hair, which you'll need if you want your braids to stay secure without elastics. If you're on day 2 or 3 hair and your hair is a bit dirtier, you may not need to use the hairspray at all. So I'm just braiding all the way down with a regular 3-strand braid, as you can see. Now the trick here is you'll notice your hair starting to catch at the end. And normally you would separate the 3 strands apart so it doesn't get tangled, but skip that today and just let your ends catch naturally together. This is key. Once you reach the bottom, you should have a little hole. Your ends are knotted together, so you just want to take the ends and push them through the hole, and voila, your braid should stay put and secure without the need for any elastic. Now I'm just going to repeat this on the other side of my head. The great thing about this look is that you don't need to carry elastics with you, so you can do it anytime, anywhere. Then this last step is optional too, but depending on what your natural hair texture is, I wanted to add a little bit of a beachy, messy wave to my hair. So I'm using the Luxy Hair Signature Curler to curl a few pieces here and there in different directions. So I'll take one section and wrap it around the barrel one way, and then the next piece I'll wrap the opposite direction. This creates that messy, beachy look which pairs so well with little braids. And that's it. This look is so nice for a day at the beach. And again, you can put your braids anywhere you want on your head. You can include your bangs in there if you want to. It's all cute. Next up is a chic braided high ponytail, and I'm going to use my Luxy Hair 16-inch clip-in ponytail just to add extra thickness and volume to my ponytail. That extra fullness just makes your braid so much bigger and looks awesome. So after throwing my hair up in a ponytail, I'm just going to insert the grip of the ponytail under my elastic and wrap so the Velcro meets. You're left with this section here, which you'll wrap around to cover everything. Then I'm just taking a bobby pin to secure the ends under the ponytail. And now we are ready to start our 3-strand braid. Just braiding all the way down normally and securing with a tiny elastic. That's it. I left my face framing pieces out, but you could do a sleek high ponytail with everything brushed back. You could also do a lower ponytail, whatever you want. This look just gets your hair off your face, which is great when it's hot, and it looks so cute. Lastly is a braided messy bun. So again, I'm just going to add a 2-clip weft of my extensions into one side of my head so I don't lose any fullness with the braid. I'm taking a 2-inch section of hair on the side of my head and braiding. Again, a simple 3-strand braid, and you want to braid backwards away from your face in the direction that we'll be bringing it after. Secure the ends with a little elastic, and then let's put the rest of our hair in a bun. So I know we all have our own way of doing messy buns, but I'll show you mine. So I just put the elastic on one hand, and like a claw, just insert all my fingers into the base of a ponytail. I grab the tail and make a little half bun around your hand, then pull the elastic over and twist it. Then slide your hand out and use that hand to wrap the rest of the tail around the base of the bun and secure with the hair tie. You may need to wrap the elastic around twice. That's my method, but you can do it your way or do a simple ballerina twist bun, whatever works. Then just take your braid and wrap it around the bun and tuck the ends into your elastic. That's it. It's just a simple way to elevate a low bun. I hope you enjoy these looks. Let us know which one's your favorite in the comments below, and we'll catch you later.